Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, I am super excited because I finally get to share with you what I think might just be the best peptide serum. Now, I adore peptides in my skincare routine because they have so many benefits. They're amazing for anti-aging by boosting the levels of collagen and elastin production. They work wonderfully alongside your other actives to over time fade hyperpigmentation, dark spots and discoloration, and they can increase the levels of hydration in the skin for a more plump, healthy and radiant complexion. Peptides for me are a true non-negotiable, but if you want to buy a super high quality peptide blend, you're usually going to have to pay top dollar. Well, I've been scouring the skincare market for an affordable, high-performance peptide, and I kind of thought, you know what, it's time I just put my money where my mouth is and create my own. And that's what I've done with this product. This is the Mad About Skin Skin Perfecting Peptide Serum. In today's video, I want to share with you all the information about this, how I use it into my skincare routine, and how, at an affordable price point, this might just be that secret peptide serum that could transform your skincare routine. Sit back, relax, let's talk the best peptide serum. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to say a big, huge thank you to each and every one of you out there that's already pre-ordered this product. It's been on pre-order for the past month, and I am proud to say that all of those pre-orders have now shipped, they have left the building, and they're on their way to you. Honestly, the level of demand in that pre-order period far exceeded even our wildest expectations. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. If your peptide serum has already landed on your doormat, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're still waiting for it to be delivered, it will be there in the next couple of days. And honestly, I cannot wait to hear what you think. This really has been a labour of love for me. I've put a lot of time, effort, and certainly a lot of money into formulating this. So if you wanted to support me in doing so, just reach down and give the video a big thumbs up and a like. This is the best way of supporting any content creator because the more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So I want to start with price point. I know, this is unusual. Brands will normally leave the price right to the end. You know, it's almost like they've got something to hide. Well, I haven't. I am super proud of the price point here, and we're going to talk it up front. This product costs £16.99 here in the UK, whatever the exchange rate equivalent is wherever in the world you happen to be. I've left a link to where you can purchase it because it's now, the pre-order has finished. We are now on general sale as of today, and I've linked it in the description box below. That website is international. No matter where you happen to be tuning in from, will ship to you, and it'll also tell you the exact rate in your local currency. But I really wanted to prove to the brands out there, you can absolutely do a high quality copper peptide serum without expecting people to break the bank. We've done so by actually reducing write-downs and margins that we take on this. You know, the average margin on a brand's skincare product would be 150 to 200%. I think that is taking customers for granted, and I would never do that. So we've reduced down that margin in order to make this as affordable as possible, and I'm so proud of that. We're also going through a full rebranding exercise at the moment, which I am so excited to share with you. And that's coming in, well, just over a month now, and I honestly cannot wait. But in the meantime, we are shifting all of the existing stock. So if you are thinking of putting one of these on order, if you're interested, the Mad About Skin sunscreen, which goes perfectly with this, is currently buy one, get one free. So just put 2 in your basket. When you check out, one of them will be free. Put 4 in your basket. When you check out, 2 will be free, so on and so forth. So yeah, I just wanted to highlight that to say if you are thinking of buying this and you wanted to stock up on the sunscreen too, buy one, get one free. But now let's talk about why I've got this huge beaming grin on my face and why I'm so proud of this formulation. So what you're actually getting in here is a 20% concentration of peptides. This is important to note because brands aren't always transparent when it comes to their percentages. 20% concentration of peptides, which is sky high and going to give you the very best results. I've also got a 3% concentration of copper peptides in that. Now, copper peptides do cost a lot to formulate with. However, I think they are totally worth it because for me, they're the best peptides when it comes to anti-aging. The reason I say this is, you know, as we age, the levels of collagen and elastin production dip like that. So you need to use topical skincare to boost up the collagen production in the skin, and copper peptides are one of the best ways of doing that. They actually act, they break down when they enter the skin, and they feed the skin all the ingredients that it needs in order to produce that collagen. So see it as like a vehicle for the ingredients to make that big collagen cake that we're trying to promote. But also, the way that they interact in the skin, they trick the body into thinking there's been some sort of incident where collagen has been lost. And so the natural response to that is to produce more collagen to compensate. So they trick the body into producing more collagen and then feed it with all the ingredients it needs to do that. This is why I think copper peptides are so special. Most brands will use a 1% copper peptide concentration, 2% if you're lucky. We've gone with 3% because I think that delivers the very best performance and is going to give you really quick turnaround when it comes to results. What's really special about the copper peptides in here, though, are they're encapsulated. So encapsulation technology is something you're seeing a lot more of in skincare, and it provides like a shield around those copper peptides, which can be a little bit temperamental and delicate. By providing that shield, it just means that you can absolutely use this copper peptide serum alongside all the rest of your skincare. So if you're someone that's been told you can't use your copper peptides with vitamin C, with retinol, you absolutely can, if the copper peptides are encapsulated. So we really worked hard to encapsulate these in order to make it as easy as possible for you guys to slot this into your skincare routine. The other peptides in here are going to work really well to plump out the skin. They're going to increase the barrier function of the skin. They're going to help to increase overall skin hydration. These are all really important, and they're going to work in the long term to further enhance that collagen production, which is why I think you're going to get some short-term wins from some plumping, some immediate anti-aging, but certainly that long-term payoff when it comes to reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The formulation, though, doesn't just stop at the peptides. Yes, they're doing a lot of the heavy lifting, but there's lots of other things going on too. So we incorporated glycerin in here, which is my absolute favourite humectant. Glycerin draws in and retains moisture in itself, plumping itself out and giving a real nice, juicy, plump, radiant look to the skin. The glycerin in here is definitely going to complement those peptides. Just make sure the skin is looking at tip-top health and condition. You've also got some copper gluconate in here, which is fabulous as a potent antioxidant. So if you see this, rather than just being a peptide serum, it's actually a copper peptide serum, a standard peptide serum, a humectant serum, and an antioxidant serum all in one. And this is why I think it delivers so many great benefits from literally the first use. Now, obviously, I've been using this for the past 4 months since we finally decided on the very final formulation, and my skin has been loving it. Drinking it up, instant plumping, long-term benefits, and yeah, I don't think I've gone a single day since without using this. You can use it once or twice a day, it's up to you. I'd say whatever peptide serum you're using at the moment, just swap that out for this one and keep up with that frequency. I personally use it twice a day because I think that's where you get the best results, and the fact that it's so lightweight just makes it so easy to incorporate. If you can see how that applies, one pump will do the whole face for me. If you want a little extra hydration, you can absolutely use 2 pumps, but look. Just look at how that sinks into the skin. It's effortless. There's no greasiness. It doesn't weigh the skin down. I'm super oily and acne prone, and this works great for me. And the good news is, if you've got a drier skin type, this will layer beautifully underneath your moisturizer. So there's no worries about pilling or balling up. For me, when you look at the formulation, coupled with the application, the instant results and the long-term payoff, I am so incredibly proud to be talking about this product, and I honestly can't believe it's actually got my name on it. It has been a labour of love, but one that I definitely think has been worth it to prove once and for all we can do affordable, high quality peptide serums without expecting consumers to break the bank. You know, the cost of everything is going up and up at the moment. And so if you're looking to get your anti-aging fix but not have to spend huge amounts of money to do so, hopefully this is the sort of product that might just help you achieve that. Like I say, there's a couple of exciting things coming up. So whilst we were getting out all of those pre-orders, there was a few issues with our shipping provider, which won't be an issue going forward, as we've actually moved shipping provider, which is going to make it plain sailing here on out. But I did just want to say thank you to everyone that persevered while we went through the mammoth amount of orders on pre-order, and just to say thank you, anyone that did pre-order this, on your second purchase, if you love the product and you want to repurchase it, if you use the code THANKS, all capital letters, that'll get you 15% off. So if you've fallen in love with the product and you want to stock up, use that thanks, just my way of saying thank you for supporting me and the brand as we went through that pre-order craziness that with all those orders, which, trust me, as a small business owner, is it meant the world to me. So thank you so, so much. We've also got a live stream tomorrow. If you're watching this on the day of launch, Saturday, the live stream is on Sunday, which is just going to be dedicated to this product, where you can ask any question whatsoever that you want. If you want to know what how you're going to layer it, pair it, suggestions for including it in the skincare routine, join that live stream where I will answer any question going. I think that's just a way of me saying, as a brand owner, I want you guys to get the best performance out of all of our products. If you've got any questions at all, hopefully you'll join us on that live stream where we can talk about everything to do with the Mad About Skin Peptide Serum. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.